what I'll join in, you know.
Gina's planning a little thing, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you planning, Gina?
Nothing, not much.
We're camping and we're bored and we're pretty much asleep, but then we kind of woke up.
Because I was hitting something. My foot was, basically.
And then we swapped places, and then Gina farted.
And then Nia farted, and then Nia went piss outside, and then...
Shut up!
How's that?
And then Amadeus did it. Stinks. Did you see my face?
Yeah. Oh,
Doesn't it stink, Gina?
no! No!
It stinks a bit of piss.
Yeah.
And a bit of
fart.
fart.
And like everything mixed together, you know. Okay, this is on a day. Why are we talking about this?
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, don't. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that.
You look drunk, my love.
Oh, I am.
Oh, look at me. There's a torch in my eye. Ah, wait.
So this is our little tent. We got our telly, but then our little bum. And our little bed is somewhere. We got a bed, there's China, and then there's my little area, and then our little baby in the corner called Oscar. Oh, cool. There you go, Gina's little baby. And we got another one over here, and she had bum fun with Oscar earlier.
Oh, and I got two of them.
You're a freak.
Get over it. And then,
Oh, look at us all together.
oh, she's pointing the wrong way.
Bye now.